Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set your status and the About Me section of your bot. So in case you don't know what those are, you can see here there's an About Me section that you can set. So mine here for the Steam Code bot says I'm a bot made by Steam Code and has the link to my YouTube channel. And then it also says playing diescord.js, playing a game, diescord.js. So now let's check out how to actually set that. So let's hop into our ready.js file so that every time the bot is ready, then we can just do this. And so within the execute method that we have here, let's say client.user.setActivity, and let's set the activity to diescord.js, or let's set something different. Let's set it to coding. And then the next thing you need is a type. So the type of activity you're doing can be streaming, playing, watching, so on and so forth. And so we'll check out a few of those. So right now let's set the type to watching, and it has to be in all caps. And then there are a few optional tags such as name and URL. And so the name and URL only really show up when you're streaming, and they don't really show up for anything else, but we can set them anyways. So for the name, let's just set it to Discord. And the URL we won't set right now. So let's just see how this looks right now. So if we save and then we run this bot, so node.index.js. As you can see here, now it says watching coding. Let's set it to playing. Needs to be in all caps. Sorry about that. Now it says playing a game, coding. Now it's set to streaming. So when you're streaming, you can set a custom URL, but it has to be an active Twitch or YouTube stream. So for the URL, I'll set that to, it's just a URL that I know is streaming right now. It's random. I'm not endorsing any specific Twitch streamer. This is just one that I found right before the video. And so if we save this, actually let's set this to streaming. Sorry about that. So streaming a video. Let's save and let's run this code again. As you can see, now it says Steam Code bot is streaming a video, and this little box appears live on Twitch. And if we click watch, then we can see the current streamer. Alright, and then there are also custom types that you can set, but bots are not allowed to use custom types. We can only use the types that are allotted for us, such as playing, streaming, listening, and competing. And so we cannot use custom types, we can only use those types. But overall, this is how you set your status. Now let's look at how we can set our About Me section. So the About Me section is very easy to set. It actually does not involve any coding at all. All you have to do is go to your Discord developer portal. So I have mine right here. And within the description of your bot, just put whatever you want. And so once you have that saved, so let me change this really quick to add this is a test. Save changes. Head back to Discord. If we reload, as you can see, now this is a test appears at the bottom. Alright, so this is how you set your status and your About Me section using diescord.js. I hope you've enjoyed. Check out our Discord server. You're able to check out the new videos that I post, recommend suggestions, and chat with me and other members of the community. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I hope you've learned something from this video, and I will see you next time.